Good morning, guys. Diba? And today we are already in Babag, in Lapu-Lapu City, and on our way back to Cebu City via CCLX. It's 4 in the morning, and wala. It just rained, and I guess there are some spots here in Babag that's still flooded. Diba? Yeah, pasensya na lang sa screen because it's raining, and I guess you won't see as much, but finally you can hear my voice. I guess it's been a while. Welcome to our drives. It's not daily anymore. Yeah, like we used to do it, but today we are gonna today we're just gonna talk about and then sa Cebu is the local politics. This is quite also fun. It's more fun. So we have, I guess, the update now is, since it's been a while, our mayor now is Raymond Garcia, and Mike Rama is trying to get back, but he got, he has a perpetual disqualification case at the ombudsman because of he hired his wife's brothers to positions in City Hall. They said nepo daw, nepotism. Let's see, but he's been aligned with the opposition or with the Duterte, so it's I guess it's just like in other places. He's one of those politicians who are being who has serious cases in the ombudsman level. Diba? And ito CCLX, by the way, it's 90 pesos still for mana he has cases. Then he is trying to say that ilang defense now, they didn't receive an order for, di na siya mayor. Diba? But Raymond now has been sworn in, diba, due to that case na perpetually disqualified na si Mayor Mike. So now he's trying to get back. Now he's saying na he's still the rightful mayor. Thank you. In his defense, I would say na he's the elected mayor. So he's been duly elected mayor. So I think he has the right to fight for his right to party, for his right to really run or to save his political career. He's like an old dog when it comes to he spent more than half of his life probably serving the city. So I think he deserves all the right to preserve his legacy, to preserve his political future. And the implication na because Raymond is mayor, Sinulog is back to the old parade route. So what does it mean? I guess it's a good thing, good for businesses in the heart of the city, I would say. Although ang issues is probably gonna be traffic, diba? Accessibility during that day. But diba, comparative SRP, yes, the usual complaint was SRP was quite far, diba? Quite far for the people to watch. Although daghan gyapon ningari people love Sinulog and they still came in droves. But I guess if you're gonna hold it dito sa traditional roads, Mango diha, it's Imos, makuha na ka. You'd be able to, it would be easier for many people, diba? But I don't know now because with BRT construction na, diba? So, but yes, the main implication of a Raymond Garcia administration is Sinulog will be in the traditional parade route. We'll see what happens also, diba? Ilang ginag-iawayan, they made that into a political issue. So we'll see. Diba? They have to make sure that successful ang Sinulog. Katong mga critics, they have to make sure to prepare all their criticisms about, holding it back there in the city, in Osmeña Boulevard, in Mango Avenue. But we'll see what happens. Minghoy na sa tigbalik ng Seaside, ng New Star, diba? Sa una, sila lagi ng bida. Sound naman. Although most lisod, I would say it was really hard because the only hotel in the new SRP route is New Star. The only mall in the route is SM Seaside. Diba? So that's it's like everything's monopolized sa nila. Wala yung normal complaint. I mean, when it was changed before, I was also really against it. But I experienced Sinulog sa SRP was, and now since I'm living in the area also, I would have wanted it to happen here. But, again, in the end, we're not part of the decision process. So, diba? Sometimes if our reasons are just gonna be selfish reasons, tawag po din. We're not in politics, but if you're in politics, of course you want, especially during an election year, this Sinulog is gonna be attended by a lot of politicians. I would say lots of politicians. But ang program and there'll be a lot of political speeches. Making it a very interesting Sinulog as well. A Sinulog where you can get to know some of your candidates who are asking for your votes. So we'll see, diba? But we always gonna wish for the success of Sinulog. Bisag asa pa na i-help, diba? We're gonna support it. This is Cebu's main festival, and if that, that's really has a lot of implication in an economy in Cebu that's also not really solely reliant, but relies. We always pride ourselves to as tourism island, and Sinulog, especially for Cebu City, this is the main tourism event for Cebu City. Diba? Sinulog, the Sinulog season, that could include marathons, that include other festivities like Sinulog sa Kabataan, and I guess there'll be a lot of concerts, a lot of things, a lot of activations. It's really good for Cebu's economy. Money will pour in, people will, hotels will be booked. people will be riding taxis, motor taxis. So it's really the season, yeah, I would say. And when it now ground, it's been a while since we've been out, and this is how Cebu looks like. Cebu City, SRP looks like. Wala tong lights. So it's pre-sunrise pa, so it's like night pa na drive, but yeah, you know, the sky is slowly showing na. But yeah, well, anyway, hopefully we can do more drives soon and talk about the current events, things that are happening, that could happen, especially during the Christmas season. Also, many things we can talk about. We can talk about Christmas memories, Christmas go, you know, all that. And I hope, yeah, it's December already, so welcome to the new month. And I hope we're gonna have a great holiday season, diba? Pasabot lang great, but for you, for example, you can spend more time with your family. With, I guess you get those bonuses, and you know, good tidings, I guess. Diba? New connections or rekindling old connections. So, yeah, Christmas season. Maybe it's a season of giving, and it could also be the season of forgiving. So, wala. Welcome to December. Merry Christmas, guys. So, thank you so much for watching our, a piece of Cebu, our snapshot of Cebu. It's raining. It's nice to sleep. So it's a good thing. Makatulog pa may kamay. And wala. Good morning, guys, and have a great week ahead. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.